everyone, and welcome back to the Frame channel. Founded in 1916, BMW is one of Germany's most popular luxury car brands. From its headquarters in Munich, the company operates production facilities across Austria, the United States, Mexico, Brazil, South Africa, India, and China. The company received the Luxury Sales Crown in 2021 after delivering more than 2.2 million vehicles worldwide. Hundreds of employees and automated machines work in perfect harmony to produce each BMW. The car bodies begin life as rolls of steel, which are cut down to size and pressed into the desired shapes using thousands of tons of pressure. These body parts are transported to the assembly line by specialized, remotely controlled flat cars and rollers, where they are pieced together and welded into place through accurate robotic automation. Engine production is arguably the most complex part of the manufacturing process, especially when it comes to the high-power precision units developed by German automakers. An engine's components are contained inside metal structures called engine blocks, which are delivered to production facilities pre-made. The holes that accommodate the pistons, known as cylinder bores, are drilled before the blocks are transported to the assembly line. The rotary crankshaft, which transform energy from internal combustion to drive the car forward, are lowered into place. Then the engine's aluminum pistons inside the cylinder bores are placed over the crankshaft with connecting rods. Finally, spark plug-fitted heads are placed over the cylinder bores before the engine is sealed. Part of the allure of luxury autos is their sleek appearance, and an elaborate paint job goes a long way towards making those vehicles look showroom-ready. BMW, for instance, applies 5 coats of paint to each car before it receives a phosphate bath to combat corrosion. Polyvinyl chloride is then applied to the body's seams to ensure they are watertight before robots spray the car to give it its final color. Once a vehicle's body has been welded together and painted, and its engine has been prepared, it's time to put all of these components together. Windows are installed using automated arms before employees work on the car's interiors and attach the doors. The drivetrain is then raised into the body from below. Tires and fenders are fitted by hand before the finished car rolls off the assembly line and shipped to customers. These finished cars sold all over the globe. With a gross domestic product of more than $3.8 trillion, Germany is the biggest economy in Europe and the 4th largest globally. The industrial powerhouse is perhaps most famous for its automotive sector, which exported $123 billion worth of vehicles in 2020 alone. But German auto innovation is not limited within the country alone, where it provides some 820,000 jobs. Its state-of-the-art assembly processes have also been exported internationally. Although headquartered in the UK, Rolls-Royce Motor Cars Limited, founded in 1906, became a wholly owned subsidiary of BMW Group in 1998. Its sculpted emblem, known as the Spirit of Ecstasy, has remained a hallmark of automotive excellence for more than a century. With the German touch, Rolls-Royce's modern approach combines cutting-edge technology with traditional methods to produce some of the most sought-after vehicles on the planet. Their custom coach-building approach usually comes from the desire to satisfy the client's unique needs.
We meet with our clients and discuss their thoughts, their wishes about their coach build project. Early sketches are drawn by our designers and formative conversations regarding materials, colors, and other creative aspects of the project are determined.
The hand-stitched leather interiors, for example, require multiple hides and take 2 weeks to craft. The leather is shrunk and drum-dyed, resulting in a durable yet soft upholstery with evenly distributed colors. Another iconic flourish is Rolls-Royce's contemporary take on the boat tail design, which involves the grafting of the hull form of a sailing boat onto a Rolls-Royce car chassis. Rolls-Royce is also willing to go the extra mile when it comes to its car's interior lighting. The Starlight option, for example, which can be seen inside models such as the Celestial Phantom, comprises a roof replete with fiber optic stars, hand-finished to mirror the constellations visible above the automaker's headquarters in Goodwood, England. Each Starlight roof takes over 14 hours to complete and requires more than 1,300 fiber optics, which is why anyone who wants to add the effect to their order must be willing to part with an additional $12,000. But perhaps one of the most unusual options available to Rolls-Royce customers is the unique coach line effect. Just one man is responsible for hand-painting every single one of the manufacturer's coach lines, which run the entire 20 feet of the car. No two vehicles that sport this effect are alike.
I suppose I've done somewhere near 2,000 of these, all individual spec. What's unique is the fact that it is hand done, it's not done by a machine. The brushes are cut to specific widths.
German automakers have succeeded in building upon their long and proud heritage by introducing forward-thinking innovations, which is why brands such as BMW, Rolls-Royce, and their compatriots continue to delight driving enthusiasts across the planet. But will this appetite persist over the longer term? According to market analysts, the value of the global luxury car industry stood at approximately $440 billion in 2021. Encouragingly, the sector is on course to reach $600 billion in 2027, with a compound annual growth rate of around 5% during the period of 2022 to 2027. Judging by these figures, it seems likely that Germany's world-renowned automobiles will remain in high demand for many years to come. That's the end of this feature on The Frame. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel to catch us on our next video. See you next time!